How do you look out the window, see the cars go past and not hear them? Well, the first thing you've got to do is you've got to make sure that there's not plasterboard on the window reveals. So if you've got dot and dab plasterboard on that window wall, or you have plasterboard on the window reveals, this area here, then that needs to be removed. That's the first thing you need to do. Don't go upgrading windows or getting secondary glazing until that plasterboard's removed. Otherwise, you'll just get no reduction in noise from that new window or secondary glazing. If you've got no plasterboard on the wall and it's sand and cement render and you don't hear any noise on that window wall, you've put your finger in one ear and you put your ear against that window wall and you don't hear anything, then you could upgrade the windows to acoustic triple glazed window. Make sure one of the panes is laminated. If it's road traffic noise, make sure that outside pane is laminated. Or you could, if you've got fairly good, double glazing, just go straight to secondary glazing, and you're looking at reveal fixed secondary glazing, creating that air gap between the original window and the new secondary glazing. So this is not frame fixed secondary glazing, it's got to be reveal fixed, and having at least 100mm air gap between your existing window and your new secondary glazing is that magic air gap which gives that really good reduction in sound. We like to put Venetian blinds between the existing window and the secondary glazing because that stops the sound resonating between the existing window and the secondary glazing. I see a lot of people when they install shutters, and when you drive down a busy road and you see all the new build properties that are backed onto the busy road, they've all got these shutters. What they didn't realize is the shutters are allowing the sound to resonate between the window and the shutters, because the shutters don't offer any sound attenuation. So how do you get to a stage where you look out the window, see the cars go past and not hear them? Number one, you want to check there's no plasterboard on that window wall and make sure it's like a sand and cement render, or make sure you don't hear any noise on that window wall. Next, you want to upgrade the window to acoustic laminated glazing, and then you want to install secondary glazing, making sure you put some sort of blind or something between the secondary glazing and the existing window to reduce the sound resonating in that hollow void between your existing window and the new secondary glazing.